What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to remove your serpentine belt on your Jeep TJ. Now, the earlier model TJs, like the 97 and 98, I believe have a different style, like manual pulley, or maybe it's the 98. If your TJ has the tensioner, like this one has right here, that's what this one's going to be about. And then I'll also show you the belt routing with and without AC. So all you're going to need is a 1/2-inch ratchet, and you can see in here, right about here, there's a little square block that this fits perfectly in here. So go ahead and see if I can show you guys. So it fits in just like that. So once you got it in, all you're gonna do is push the pulley bridge down, which is you're gonna go basically to the right, and that's gonna loosen it off. And then the first area you wanna do, I don't know if I can do this bolt two-handed, but you're gonna pull this belt off underneath the idler pulley right there, if you can see that. Just slipped it off. So I basically took the belt and I slipped it under this pulley, and then you can loosen it off here. Get it off around the power steering, and so on and so forth. So here's the belt routing diagram in case yours is missing. So this is exactly how it is with the 4-liter. And you can see if you have AC, it goes from the power steering pump down around it. And if you're not have AC, it just goes up and around, then around the water pump, and then around the crank pulley. I got the belt off pretty much completely. So what you'll want to do, put the belt in this kind of shape, and you're going to stuff it in between the radiator fan here. And you're going to push this down, and you're going to wrap that around the crank pulley. So you'll get it down there, or the crank pulley, and you're just going to lay it over this way. Wrap it around the power steering. Okay. On top of the idler. So on top of the idler, around, or on top of the tensioner, and then around the serpentine belt. And then this guy, we have to squeeze underneath here. So how we're going to do that is we're going to lower this guy with that little square, lower this down, and then slide this underneath this pulley, and then we'll be done. So give it some slack. Go underneath that pulley. And then there we go. We're all good. Look, it even says Mopar 4-liter. So this is the original belt on this Jeep. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. And definitely consider subscribing if you're not subscribed and you want more how-to videos on the TJ. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.